Hello everyone, welcome to Color by Chaff channel, which is about digital printing, knowledge, information and techniques we are just giving. My name is Safak Erdogan. I have a 25 years digital printing experience from end user sites to manufacturers, importers and the worldwide exporters. I am just manufacturing inkjet digital inks in 2 different companies. Therefore, I just sharing information about you today, just saying don't speed up your printer. What does it mean? Don't speed up your printer. As you know, all different digital printing markets, including ceramic to textile, outdoor signage to UV digital printings and etc., that we are having printers which is capable of printing some kind of DPIs and the passes, which gives us a certain print speed. This is an optimal print speed where the manufacturers fits to chemicals and the mechatronics which printheads are continuous to produce. Therefore, some printers, especially most of Chinese printers, are open and user friendly for rich softwares and the control channels. Therefore, sometimes you see that your printer, such as DTF printer, which comes to you 6 and 8 pass, most optimal printing quality, that some end users are dreaming about 3 to 4 pass. They never ask if this print continues to print that can print, if the ink can follow the speed. They don't think about that. They speed up the printer. Then, as you know, you have a lot of rubbish, a lot of waste of money, and most important one, a lot of waste of time happening. And this issue is coming often these days. Big printers, very big branded printers like the Japanese Roland Mimakis, Mutos, or the other big ones, are coming to the companies. They are extremely expensive compared to the Chinese printers. They have limited print DPIs and print speeds where they are fit continuous production with stable ink and stable printhead compatibility. Then most of the case you have a continuous speed. You cannot speed up, but you have a continuous production. Then everyone is happy. But who's not happy that they have trying to speed up the printer? When you speed up the printer, if the printhead is new, sometimes some couple of meters or square meters you have finalized with certain quality, but you cannot keep going that quality with that speed because your head become quick, older and clogging very quickly. Then you need to replace. Therefore, again, I recommend everyone, every digital printing market, especially you Chinese printers users, stay where your sellers, distributors or factories telling you to stay on that print passes and DPIs. Don't speed up your printer. Don't try to invent a new thing because it's impossible. It's impossible on continuous production. Just one production, 2 production, I don't talk about that. Don't damage your printer, don't damage your time, okay? Don't speed up your printer. Take your time. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your time. See you.